Hi, I'm Ada. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing or unbagging this Temu stuff I got. And this one is different than a lot of the ones I have done. This one is going to be craft stuff as well as stuff that I got for our homeschool. I found some, like, I think it's S.T.E.M or S.T.E.M. They're really affordable items if you homeschool your children or if you just want something educational and fun for your children to do. So let's hop into this. This is my super big bag. I did get some craft stuff for this because I was working on a crochet thing. I was working on this little marshmallow person, but then I ran out of yarn. So this is what it looks like up close. I really liked working with this mint color especially, so I had to order more so that I could finish it. So I got more of the dark green as well as I got more of the mint so that I could make more things. I really liked working with the mint one over this dark green one. They did seem to have like a different kind of texture to them. The darker green one seemed a little more grippy than the mint one, which seemed to slide a lot easier on the hook. I don't know if that's just me or if that is legit, you know, a difference within that texture of the material, but my little marshmallow person's gonna be so cute. And then I did get two white ones to make little white marshmallow people as well. This I got this because it was, I'll put a picture on the screen. I did get refunded for this. I got a full refund and they allowed me to keep it because this is what the picture looked like, and the picture and the description said that it was going to have like yarn in it. It was going to have some hooks and, you know, all types of accessories. And when I opened this, I was a little disappointed because it didn't come with any of that. So it's just a black little travel case. This side here, which has the two little mesh pockets. Then you have this flap here, which it showed in the picture. I think you can put your hooks and stuff in here. And then over here is just flat, and you can put like your little, you know, skeins of yarn over there if you wanted to, if they can fit in there if they're small enough. This is kind of something I just wanted for if I have like, you know, if I'm traveling or I'm just like going somewhere and I want to stick like the materials for a quick little project I'm working on, put them in here. I did get this. This is going to be added to my, try to add this to my Halloween diamond art that I'm going to do. If I don't get to it, I'm still going to post it up at some point. But it is a Killer Clowns from Outer Space diamond art. So I saw it and I love Killer Clowns from Outer Space. It is one of my favorite movies. So I was like, I need this, like immediately need it, and it's going to be pushed to the front of the ones I'm doing. It comes with all of the things that you need, like in these little kits. It comes with all of the little tools and stuff that you need, and it builds this little solar powered car. And my children love science. It's probably one of their favorite subjects. So I saw these and I'm like, you know, these were only like, I think they were like $3, like I think they were, most of them were like under $3 for these kits. So I'm like, why not? I got two of these little flashlight kits because my children love flashlights. So I got one for each of them so that they can each put together their own little flashlight and then they can keep it like in their rooms and stuff. That's one reason I really love homeschooling, is because it gives you the opportunity to like buy things like this and do like really do educational but hands-on activities with the children so that they're not just bored to death doing bookwork. This one is a weather vane, so it looks like that. They had a bunch more and I probably am going to order more because I mean these seem pretty cool. So this kit here is for it's for like a little compass that you can make, so that should be interesting. We can learn about compasses and how they work and stuff like that. It'll be real cool. This one will be fun if it works well. Because it's a little projector and it has little slides that it comes with that you put in there to be able to project the pictures. But this is what it looks like. I'm tired of buying colanders or like strainers, whatever they're called, the little thing you strain your stuff with. So I got one of these things It's like a little silicone thing that clips to your pans or your bowls, and then you can just keep the stuff in there and just drain it with this, so you don't have to worry about those. Because I'm tired of buying them and then they break or they get rusted and then you have to buy another one. Ooh, this one is a phonograph. So that'll be fun, because then we'll get to like learn about the history of like music and stuff like that. And they can learn about, you know, when the phonograph was made and all that. Like, that's super cool. I did get a little silicone rolling mat. It's got the cool little measurements, so I thought that was pretty nifty. My hair, it's a cute, you know, a cute little, I think it's like a turban, I think they call it. I'm not really sure, so I apologize if I mislabeled this, but it's a cute little head thing with a little bow on it for when I'm having just unruly hair days as my hair grows out. This one is technically educational. It is a little magnetic chessboard with the game pieces and everything. My children, especially our daughter, she enjoys chess, so I got this so that we can play like on the go, because the only other chessboard we have is glass and I'm not taking that outside the house. So I got this one because I can like fit it in my bag, and if we're out and we're waiting at like a restaurant or something, then we can play chess while we're there. Look how cute the little pieces are. They're so little. I like it. And then when you're done, you just take your pieces, put them inside. But I like that. The magnets seem pretty good on these. I got these little earplugs, and I got them so that I could see how these compared to my loop earplugs that I paid like $20 for. I want to see how these compared to that and kind of do a side-by-side of that, because I really love my loop headphones. I like them. They work really, really well. So I want to see how these ones compare to that, to see if this would be a cheaper option to get more of them, because I lose things. Safety eyes for my crochet amigurumis. I want to see kind of how these ones compared to ones from like the craft stores, as well as like Etsy and stuff like that. So I did get these. Oh, this one. Okay, this one's going to be really, really cool to do with my children. They are going to love putting this one together because it is a remote control car. So they're going to be able to build their own remote control car and then play with it. So that is going to be really, really fun. And I cannot wait to see how this one turns out. These last couple things are not educational, and they're also not really craft items, but they're things that I needed in my life. It's just this little silicone kind of key ring. Oh, this little key ring, a little wrist thing, you know, put my keys on it and, you know, put my keys on it and stuff. Seems pretty cool. I wish I would have picked a different one of this. I might order a different kind of shape. And I got this keychain tag that says, "But did you die?" Because that's one thing I like to tell people when they complain about my driving. It's just be like, you know, "But did you die?" So I also have a t-shirt that says this on it, and then my friend also brought me back a patch that says "But did you die?" on it. So these are some of the items that I got from Temu. And I really just want to say, like, if you are someone who is a crafter or you homeschool your children, definitely check out Temu, because they have a lot of really awesome craft items that are a lot more affordable than if you get them on even Amazon. It's a lot cheaper, and they're still quality items that you're getting. As far as like the educational stuff, they have a ton of educational stuff on there, and I've bought math games for my children. I've bought different kind of educational tools that we use frequently in our homeschool. So definitely check them out. It'll save you a ton of money. And honestly, like, some of these things I had never seen before, so when I saw them, I'm like, I really want to get that and try it out. So I will have to post videos of these once they're put together and kind of show you guys, like, do I think that they're still worth it, or would I pass on it next time? But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and make sure you hit subscribe, and also consider becoming a channel member. and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.